Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see nowadays if you watch YouTube video in your desktop or laptop and you are facing the problem related on this content isn't available, try again later. Why this problem and how to fix this problem? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start. So look at this here. Currently, I'm watching YouTube in my Mac screen and I'm facing this problem. If I scroll down, another video is a play, but most of time I'm facing this problem. So how to fix this problem? It's very easy. You just simply click here 3 lines and then go to extension, manage extension, and here I install one of the extension is ad blocker. That's why I'm not able to watch YouTube video and facing this problem. If I refresh here, afterwards I can very easily watch this video as well and rest of all the video. So this is the simple process you should uninstall or unblock. If you watch YouTube video, that time you just simply pause this block and afterwards you can unlock this ad blocker. So this is the simple way to watch YouTube video without any problem if you are facing such a problem. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.